Hello and welcome to another video session. BeanFX Trader. Our website is www.beanfxtrader.com. I want you to subscribe to our channel, like our videos, make comments at the bottom of the video, ask questions. We'll try as much as possible to respond to your questions. Also hit the notification button at the bottom of the video so that when we release new videos, you'll be the first to see our video. Today we'll be looking at a strategy you can use to trade boom index or crash index. On the chart I have boom 1000 index 15 minutes time frame, and I have three windows. I have the main window. This is my main window, and this is my main window. I have indicator window 1, this indicator window 1, and I have indicator window 2. This is indicator window 2. Now let's go to how the strategy works. Now on the main window, let's look at the settings that I have installed on the main window. Settings, I have fractals. Basically I use fractals to identify the point of price rejection. When price is rejected at any point, I get arrow-like fractal indication, and that tells me that that point can be my support or resistance area. So that's basically the reason why I like to put the indicator fractals on the chart. Okay, same on the still on the main chart, I have moving average 210 period, simple moving average, and the color is blue. Then I have 45 period simple moving average, the color is gray. And then I have 41 period simple moving average, the color is also gray. So how it works is, when the gray moving averages, when they both cross above the blue moving average, just like I have here, that's my signal that I should go long. So there is a cross here, so I go long, I buy. Okay, so if there is a cross down like I have here, I sell. Like I have here, I sell. So that's just how the indicator on the main chart work. A cross up, you buy; cross down, you sell. So that's how you apply the indicators on the main chart. Now let's look at the indicators on indicator window 1. Let's look at the settings. So for indicator window 1, I have average directional movement index indicator. Now the period is 8. Okay, the color for the style is I read so that it matches the background color of my charts. Then I have levels. I have 75, 70, 21, and 17 levels. Now let's go to the next indicator. On indicator window 1, I have 210 period linear weight this time around, and apply to close, and the color is blue. Then the next moving average, I have 43 period linear weight, apply to close, the color is green. And lastly, on indicator window 1, I have 20 period linear weight, apply to close, and the color is red. So let's go to the chart and see how it works. So how it works is, when this is my indicator window 1, when the green and the red indicators, when they cross above the blue line, when the green and red line cross above the blue line under the 17 and 21 level, under the 17 and 21 level, then I have my support. I mean, price will have formed support that I can buy. Okay, Also for resistance, when they cross down, when the green and red lines cross down on the blue above the 70 and 75 levels, then I have my resistance and I expect price to fall. So I have my resistance here, I'll be expecting price to fall, and I also have a cross over here on the main chart, and you can see what happened, price start to fall. Same thing occurred here. I have my support here, and I'm expecting crossover here. I can see what happened, price start to go up. So that's the way it works. Let's look at indicator window 2. Let's look at the settings. Just two indicators on indicator window 2. The first one is my force index indicator. The period is 300. The method is smoothed and the volume stick. Then the color on the upper band is green. So, and the next indicator is Bollinger Bands. Okay, the period is 50. The deviation is 0.030. The shift is 0. It's applied to close, and the color, the color is red. Now let's look at how it works. So basically, what happens is I allow, this is my indicator window 2. I allow the green, which is the first index, to cross above the Bollinger Band, which is the red line. There's a crossing above the Bollinger Band and also a crossing above here, and there is a cross above here. Then I can start to buy. I can see what price did. Same thing when it cross down, just like we have here on the indicator window 2. You have a cross down here and also a cross down here. Then finally a cross down here. You can start to anticipate a sell trade. So that's the way it works. Don't forget, on indicator window 1, the crossing must happen above the 71, the 70 and 75 level on the ADX. And same thing for a buy or long situation. The crossing must happen below the 17 and 21 level on the ADX. Let's recap on the settings again. For the settings, on the main chart, fractals, I have moving average 210 simple. The color is blue, apply to close. I have another moving average 45 period. Method is simple. The color is gray. Then another moving average 41 simple, color is gray. Then on my indicator window 1, I have the ADX. Okay, period is 8, and the levels 70, 75, 21 and 70. Don't forget, the 70 and 75 marks my resistance area where I expect the green and the red lines to cross down on the blue line, and the 21 and 70 marks the support area where I expect a cross up, where I expect the green and the red line to cross up above the blue moving average line. Okay, so, and I have moving average 210 period, linear weight, applied to close, color is blue. I have another moving average 43, linear weight, color is green, applied to close. Then I have 20 period, linear weight, applied to close, color is red. Then on indicator window 2, just two indicators. I have the first index 300 period, method is smoothed, volumes is thick, and then the upper band color is green. Then I have Bollinger Bands, period is 50, deviation is 0.030, apply to close, and the color is red. So that's that about the indicators. That's that about the strategy. Don't forget, you allow the crossing here, okay, and the crossing here to happen. And for short situation, you allow the 3 crossing to happen here. So that's that about the strategy. This particular strategy is on the blog, is on the website, www.bitfxtrader.com. So you can go to the website to learn more about this strategy. Okay, want you to subscribe to our channel, BFX Trader. Want you to like our video. Please, those of you that have liked our video, we say a big thank you. Those of you that have subscribed, we're saying a big thank you for encouraging us. Also, make comments. If you want a particular video on any particular strategy, just mention it under any of our videos. We'll try and do it for you, so that you can understand how our strategy works better. Then we want you to hit the notification button so that really we shoot another video, you just hit on your notification and you can easily watch the video. So till I come your way next time, is bye for now.